You want to be funny? Look, I need you to be like this. Come in hard. Remember that time that we took class? I need you to feel that way. Okay? Look, I need you to come in like this right here. Power, Grayskull. You feel me? This man right here was poor. All right. About the Philadelphia offense. Say what you want. Can you imagine 2 years ago on this offense they had Sean McCoy, Deshaun Jackson was going against tonight, and Jerry Macklin, all playmakers, all gone. Can you get a Tiger check on one? Jason Peters starts games, can't finish them. You have a running back situation rotation that is in question, but they're going to go only as far as your quarterback Sam Bradford takes. When you look at that for the last 5 weeks, he has had 7 touchdowns and 3 interceptions. His number 1 target is Jordan Matthews. He's an inside receiver, very good one at that. Him and Zach Ertz. They are running a Nelson Aguilar and Amari Cooper to make some plays outside. And when you talk about the questionable running back rotation, DeMarco Murray is not a fit. Ryan Matthews will play tonight. Can he stay healthy? But this is the guy to me I give the ball to. That is Darren.
By the power of Grayskull.
And right now, he's the best player in space.
I have the power.
Well, we did.